it's Sam. So today I have an American Eagle try on haul for you guys. I actually have another one coming soon from the stuff that I ordered online. P.S. I have the most terrible hiccups that will not go away today. I choked on some rice and it's like, that was it. I like, you know when rice gets stuck in your, like, what's it called? And you can feel it going down super slow and you need to drink water and you can't breathe and you can't do anything. You're just like, oh, I have rice stuck here. Well, that's what happened. And now I've had hiccups ever since. I cannot get rid of them. So you are going to hear them throughout the video. I'm very sorry, but I wanted to get this video up. I wanted to get this video up for you guys because today is the last day of the sale. So this is your chance to shop. So if you guys are watching this on a Sunday, the sale is still going. So this sale is only through Like to Know It. So if you guys use the app, you can actually get an extra 25% off. So these are actually on sale online anyway. But then if you use the code from the Like to Know It app, which I will link down below, you are gonna get there'll be like a little code. It'll say like copy promo code. You're gonna click that little copy button. That's gonna copy it. Then you're gonna add all the stuff to your cart. And then you're gonna paste that code in the, at the end in the shopping cart where the promo code goes. And that's gonna save you an extra 25% off the already sale prices. So a lot of these are already in the sale, online only. For some reason, these prices, because I bought all this stuff in store, these prices are not, like the sale prices are not the same as in store as they are online. So the sale seems to only be online. And then of course, you cannot get the Like to Know It promo code honored in store. They will honor the online code, like the online sale prices, but they will not honor the LTK. So that has to be something that is from the app. So you'll get the code, you'll get an extra 25% off of the sale prices, which works out to be a super good deal, but it ends today. So that's why you want to take advantage of the sale today, because once it hits Monday, it's over and you won't get the 25% off. So it's a really good savings and it works out to be quite affordable. Like after the 25% off plus the sale prices, a lot of this stuff is really, really affordable. So definitely take advantage of the sale if you guys have been looking to update your wardrobe for fall. These are also cozy. They're perfect for fall. They're perfect for fall going into winter. If you're looking for just some like nice, cozy, comfortable, just cooler weather, but like not quite freezing yet, I found the best jacket. I'm currently wearing it right now. It's got like a big, huge hood. They're so comfortable and they come in numerous colors. It's the best. Also, I just cut 2 inches off my hair today. I just did it myself in the bathroom. I took a shower, I blow dried my hair, and then I literally pulled it all forward and just went like that. That's the easiest way to cut your hair at home. But yeah, I just decided that I thought it would be nice to have like a little bit shorter, and it just makes it look so like full at the ends. I feel like ever since I got my hair done, they cut a bunch of layers and it just kind of tends to make the ends look a little bit thinner if you don't have like ridiculously thick hair. I feel like layers can sometimes do the opposite of what they're supposed to do, and they end up making your hair look a little stringy at the ends, which I don't love. Ever since all the layers were cut, I have not been loving my hair. So I decided to take matters into my own hands, chop off the ends, and I actually feel like it looks so much better. So yes, yay for that. Yay for fresh ends and a nice little trim. Just makes them look so much thicker, doesn't it? I'm also wearing a new foundation today. I'm trying to decide. I think I like it so far. It's the Smashbox Always On Skin Balancing Foundation with hyaluronic acid and adaptogens. I'm in the color 30N, L30N. I think it's really pretty. It's giving me a really good glow. I feel like the skin looks really nice. I'll have it linked on the YouTube shopping so you guys can check that out. It's just in the little view products button right over here. These are called the Dreamy Drape Super High Rise Baggy Wide Leg. I have a size 12. These do run a little small, so I would say size up for sure. They don't have a whole lot of stretch. So this is what they look like on me with heels. So they're definitely not a super long leg. I have the hiccups, like the most terrible hiccups all day. I cannot get rid of them. So that's what they look like with a heel. And then if I don't have a heel on, they're kind of a good jean for like wearing with like sneakers because they're not super long on me. Oh my god, do not mind my hiccups. I'm so sorry. I love the distressing on the bottom. I think they're so cute. It looks like super lived-in and worn. And then this flannel is so soft and cozy, you guys. I have an extra large. So it's very oversized and nice and long. You could wear this with leggings because it comes down like quite long in the back. They have it in numerous colors. They're just like a really nice cozy, like lightweight flannel, oh my God, flannel shirt. These hiccups are wearing me out. Like, they actually have like hurt my chest. I've been hiccuping all day. Oh, God's sake. Okay, next are these, I don't know what they're called. Some kind of shacket, I think, but they have like this massive hood, which is really nice and big and cozy. So it's perfect for fall and winter time. It's just like the most amazing sweater ever. Sweater or jacket ever. It's got these like really cute little tortoiseshell buttons. The way it lays is really nice because it doesn't puff out. It's it's not super heavy, but it's a little heavier material, so it kind of hangs really nicely and flat. And then it's got these big huge pockets right here on this left hand side. I feel like I'm gonna hiccup again. Left hand side. It just like lays so nice and cozy. I've got those same jeans on, so this is something that I could wear with just like sneakers and just be really comfy, really cozy. It's perfect for fall, perfect for these cooler I'm just not going to talk, you can just look. Perfect for the cooler days. And then it comes down a little bit longer in the back, but do you see how it doesn't like flare out? They sit so nicely, and I'm wearing a large, extra large in this one. The color is just the most perfect brown. Love this color. This is literally the coziest. I'll probably be wearing these every single day I will live in them. These are an absolute must-have. Everyone needs them. Okay, that shirt also comes in this gorgeous green color. It's like a really nice kind of like sage green. Aren't these so cute? Cutest and most flattering, oversized, like long, cozy, whatever you want to call it, shacket. I just absolutely love these. They're my favorite. They have a pink, black, brown, and then a green. I got every single color except for the pink. Now I'm kind of regretting it, but pink is not like the most fall color, so I really just tried to go with like fallish colors. Again, it's got the nice big hood. Everyone needs this. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's so good. Okay, next is this band tee. So this is the size, what size did I get? I don't know. I'll have it linked. I can't remember what size I got. It's probably extra large. It's just like this really cute Nirvana tee, and it's like the nice soft pink and then kind of like the jean blue color. So that's just nice and oversized. I think it's an extra large. Oh, here we go. What does that say? Large, extra large. So that would be really cute under like a shacket or a corduroy jacket or something like that. You could wear the pink one over this, and that would actually be really cute. Dang it, why didn't I think of that? That's so stupid of me. Oh, that would have been really cute. So I love that one. Just love a good oversized band tee. Okay, I also got this band tee as well. This one is the Rolling Stones. It's super cute. It's got like all these like kind of like 70s flowers, like all different colors. It's so cute. Large, extra large. It says the Rolling Stones with the big lips. Okay, next we have this. So these are corduroy pants. These run true to size, so I'm a 10 in these, and they even have a little bit more room. Like, these are actually so comfortable, way more comfortable than I thought they were gonna be. They are, don't mind the shoes, they don't match, but I needed some heels. They obviously are a little bit long on me. They've got the pockets on the sides, which are really, really cute. They've also got the pockets on the bum, which I like, and then you've also got the pocket here, and they kind of are like more of like a wide leg type thing. And then obviously if you're my height, which is 5'1", you're gonna need to wear heels with them because they are pretty long. I really picked this sweatshirt out, but it actually goes really well with these pants. This is a medium, so they're like an oversized sweatshirt. She got it for Halloween. It's so cute. It's like the Rolling Stones vampire version, so that's really cute. And I feel like together it's actually like a really cute outfit. And these pants are very flattering. They're actually really slimming, and they make me look really tall because they're so long. So we love the pants. Pants are a winner. Sweatshirt's cute too. So there's another option. Okay, and then last but not least for this haul, I have more stuff coming that they didn't have in store that is online, so that'll be coming soon. So this one's actually a medium. The other ones were a large, extra large. Again, it's got the hood, and it's kind of like a black, and then it almost looks kind of grayish down here, but it is considered black. So that's what the medium looks like. So I feel like the medium does not look that much different than the large, extra large. So if they don't have your size, you know, I think you could probably go up a size or down a size, and I don't think it'll make a difference. And then these are those corduroys. They have these in multiple colors, and honestly, I feel like they are worth getting in a few different colors because they are so cute. Like, this whole outfit is so comfortable, but you still look really cute you look put together, but you literally feel like you're wearing pajamas. Like, it's such a comfortable little outfit, and it's perfect for fall. So I'm loving these. I think these are the winner of the haul, and I think the corduroy pants are also the winner because they're super comfortable, but they're actually really flattering. So this is my favorite outfit right here. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys all have a fabulous day. Happy shopping, happy saving, and I'll see you guys in my next one.